What up, guys? Welcome back to Chronic Eats. We got some pizza bagels from Palermo's. I've never heard of this brand, but they've been selling them for a while at the grocery outlet. I've never tried it though. I bought another one today. This one's been in the freezer for a while. Decided to do it up tonight. So, the convection oven is preheating on the pizza setting right now. Check these out. Yeah, buddy. Pre-oven. They're going in a minute though. So this thing takes about 5 minutes to warm up, and then it beeps at you. It gives you no time, so I gotta stand by it. And as soon as it starts beeping, I fucking throw this in and wait it out for that long. Yeah, we'll be back, alright? There it is, guys. See the little cross cut? Yeah, I've tried a little piece. It's not the greatest. But, we'll see. Let me try to eat some more, you know? What up, guys? Back with the mukbang. See? It's not the worst. For $2.49. Not bad. It's not a rip-off. That's Palermo's. Palermo's Pizza. Hey, bud. Hey, buddy. I love you too. I love you too. No, nothing for you. It's crazy, dog. So I got another one of these today. $2.49, not the worst price. It's worth it. So no eBay sales this weekend. Man, last weekend was like bam, 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 bam. You know? And then I sold some on Poshmark too. Crazy how that happened. And I sold 3 Wu-Tang hats that I've been sitting on for years. That I bought directly from China several years ago, and I just came across them again. Man, those sell like crazy, so I need to find a way to buy more of those like that, and I think I found it. But I'm still gonna keep looking, you know. I haven't pulled any triggers yet. But I have, I did, like, right before I went to bed the other morning. It was probably like 2:33 in the morning. And I'm, like, buying shit from China, like, digital watches for, like, 83 cents a piece. I bought 4 of them, like, another few watches for, like, a $2.29 a piece that are, like, you know, got the arms and the numbers and shit, the analog ones, you know. But 3 of those are pretty cool. They're like $2.29. If I could sell them for like $20 a piece, that'd be awesome, you know. Just like trying to find easy ways to make money like that without going to a fucking job and having a stupid asshole boss and asshole co-workers, you know. Man, that'd be the shit. If I could just mail shit out every day. Get that money rolling in. Man. And I feel like I should have been doing this like a long time ago. But I wasn't set up the way I am where I'm at, where I live now. You know, I was going through some major shit the last few years. But this place where I live now, it's I got like two bedrooms kind of, you know, or one's like an office space, a den kind of with like a curtain on it instead of a door, you know. Like, you know, perfect spot to put all my finds to sell online, you know. And then I got my bedroom, which is just a spot to sleep and store my clothes, you know. So, you know, God kind of throws things in your lap as you want it. Because I was buying shit at the Goodwill up where I used to live, like all the time. Like this hat I bought up there is probably like $4 or something, you know. This shit's fucking tight. This is a Levi's hat. And you know, for $4, I think it's pretty cool. And it's listed on eBay and Poshmark right now. I think I just put it up in the last couple days. But you know, if someone bought it tomorrow, I'd fully wash it, put it in the wash machine and stuff. Send it right out. Happy customers, you know. Like this lady from Poshmark, she bought like 3 things. It was a Detroit Red Wings t-shirt that cost me like probably $3 or $2 or whatever it was. And then I found also at that store a Duck Commander shirt. It was a pretty cool animated drawing of 4 of the people that were on that or are part of that business. If you know that show from A&E that was on a while ago. And then the Carhartt beanie that I had also bought up by where I used to live for probably like $4, I think. I think I cut the tag off the other day. It was $3.99. And I sold it for like 12 or 13 something. And then she gave it a review and said she bought it for her husband or something, you know, and said that he really loved it and it all fit really good, you know. So I was like, hell yeah, first sale on Poshmark. Nailed it. Yeah, buddy. Alright, well, I'm almost done with this. It's not bad. I like it. Palermo's. Remember that. If you ever see them at your grocery outlet, if you got one. It's not bad. Not the greatest. But definitely not bad. So please smash that like and subscribe button. Please share with the world. All that cringy YouTube crap. And I will see you guys next time. Have a good one. Chronic Eats out. Peace.